Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle. Step up your game with the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta, a top-tier pickleball paddle designed for players who demand precision without sacrificing power. Selkirk has long been a leader in pickleball innovation, and this paddle exemplifies their commitment to performance and craftsmanship. The LUXX Control Air Invikta is a mid-weight paddle, striking the perfect balance between maneuverability and power. Its slightly longer 16.45-inch frame and 5.35-inch handle offer extended reach and room for two-handed backhands, making it ideal for strategic shot placement. The Fluorite carbon fiber face delivers exceptional control, while the thick 20mm honeycomb core ensures consistent, accurate shots with just the right amount of pop. Designed with player comfort and performance in mind, this paddle glides effortlessly through the air, reducing drag and allowing for quicker reflexes on fast-paced shots. Every hit feels intentional, giving you the confidence to place the ball exactly where you want. The modern, sleek design not only looks impressive on the court but reflects the paddle's high-performance capabilities. Whether you're aiming for precise dinks, fast drives, or controlled volleys, the LUXX Control Air Invikta adapts to your style. While it may not have the maximum pop of ultra-power paddles, its all-around performance and superior control make it a standout choice for serious players. With its current value pricing, this paddle is a must-have for those seeking a versatile, reliable, and high-performing pickleball companion. Elevate your game with the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta, where control meets power effortlessly. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Get on the court with confidence with the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle, a perfect choice for beginners, recreational players, and those looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option. Designed to offer a balance of comfort, control, and durability, this paddle makes learning and enjoying pickleball easier than ever. The Radical Elite features a honeycomb core and a fiberglass face, creating a smooth, responsive surface for consistent shot placement. Its wide paddle face gives you more room to hit the ball accurately, while the lightweight design ensures easy maneuverability for longer rallies. The comfortable foam handle, comparable in length to a tennis racket, provides a secure grip and reduces fatigue during extended play. While this paddle focuses on control over raw power, it still allows competitive play, making it a versatile choice for beginners and intermediate players alike. You may find yourself upgrading to a higher power paddle as your game progresses, but for its price, the Radical Elite delivers performance well beyond its $70 retail cost, playing more like a $100 paddle. Ideal for gifting or as a dependable backup paddle, the Head Radical Elite combines practicality with affordability. Its approachable design and ease of use make it suitable for all skill levels, whether you're picking up pickleball for the first time or looking for a reliable secondary paddle. Take your game to the next level without breaking the bank. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is the perfect combination of comfort, control, and value for players of all ages and skill levels. Number 3. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. Experience elite performance on the court with the Selkirk Power Air Epic Pickleball Paddle, designed for players who demand the ultimate in power, speed, and precision. As one of the top choices on the PPA Tour, this paddle delivers professional-level performance for competitive play, making it an investment worth every penny for serious athletes. The Power Air Epic features an elongated handle and stand shape, offering a generous paddle surface while providing the perfect grip for double-handed backhands. Selkirk's innovative air opening design reduces drag, enabling faster swing speeds and giving your serves and volleys extra whip and power. Every hit feels explosive yet controlled, making this paddle a dream for power players. Beyond performance, the Power Air Epic offers unmatched comfort and feel. The LUXX cushion handle and additional wrapping near the end provide a secure grip, even during intense rallies. The smooth edges ensure consistent returns, reducing the chance of errant shots when contacting near the paddle's edges. The lightweight design allows effortless maneuverability, so every swing feels precise and responsive. Sleek, high-tech, and engineered for champions, the Selkirk Power Air Epic is meant for advanced players who want the best technology in the game. Its premium materials and innovative design make it a standout paddle that elevates both your playstyle and your presence on the court. Invest in your game and experience the speed, control, and power of the Selkirk Power Air Epic, where every shot feels like perfection. Number 4. Onix Graphite Z5. Step onto the court with confidence using the Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle, a trusted choice among professionals and recreational players alike. Known for its superior control and clean returns, the Z5 offers the ideal combination of precision, durability, and value, all for under $100. Crafted with a graphite face, this paddle provides the lightweight feel and strong design favored by many pro players. Graphite allows for exceptional shot control and finesse, making it easier to place the ball exactly where you want it. Paired with the Onix honeycomb core, the Z5 minimizes dead spots and maximizes the sweet spot, giving you consistent performance on every swing. The paddle's slightly elongated shape offers extra surface area, enhancing your ability to connect with the ball cleanly. Its well-balanced weight ensures comfortable handling, while the responsive design gives you excellent control for volleys, dinks, and precise serves. Players will appreciate the ability to generate spin effortlessly, especially on serves, adding another layer of strategy to your game. Ideal for beginners and intermediate players, the Onix Graphite Z5 is built to last, meaning you won't need to upgrade as your skills improve. Its high-quality construction and professional-grade materials deliver exceptional playability and value, making it a smart investment for players at any level. Experience the perfect balance of control, power, and performance with the Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle, the paddle that combines pro-level technology with affordability. Number 5. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. Take your game to the next level with the JOOLA Ben John's Perseus pickleball paddle, developed in collaboration with Ben Johns, a PPA Tour legend with an astonishing 123 title wins. Designed for serious players, this paddle delivers unmatched stability, precision, and explosive power on every shot. The Perseus features a charged carbon surface that has been bond-treated for enhanced strength, providing a crisp, responsive feel and maximum energy return on the ball. Its patent-pending propulsion core gives you incredible power for all types of shots, from line drives and dinks to drop shots and counters, making it a true powerhouse on the court. An elongated paddle face increases surface area, giving you a larger sweet spot and more consistent shot making. This design also allows for exceptional spin control, helping you dominate rallies with finesse and accuracy. One of the most innovative features is its NFC chip technology, connecting you to the JOOLA Connect app. Track your performance, access training videos tailored to your playstyle, and engage in community challenges and gamification, turning every practice session into a next-level learning experience. Built for players who want to blend professional-grade performance with cutting-edge technology, the JOOLA Ben John's Perseus paddle is lightweight, powerful, and precise. Whether you're competing at a high level or looking to refine your skills, this paddle gives you the control, spin, and explosive power to elevate every match. Dominate the court like a pro with the JOOLA Ben John's Perseus pickleball paddle, where innovation meets elite performance.